Hello friends and welcome back to the Resident channel. So friends, today I will talk about EIZO FlexScan EV2720S Eco Concierge 27-inch monitor with USB Type-C port. So friends, the EIZO has announced FlexScan EV2720S, a 27-inch WQHD resolution monitor equipped with USB Type-C connectivity for streamlined hot tasking and remote office work, and it is successor model of the FlexScan EV2781, offering enhanced energy efficiency and compliance with the latest global environment standard, with sustainability gaining more significance in the modern landscape. Organizations are urged to make well-informed decisions when procuring new technology and the monitor. And organizations are urged to make well-informed decisions are urged to make well-informed decisions while procuring new technology, and the monitor just 14 watt of power, representing a 22% reduction from the previous model, and the sustainable decrease help users to low energy costs and contribute to a smaller carbon footprint, supporting sustainable effort. And compared to the previous model, it's improved content ratio of 1500 Gem 1, up from 1000 Gem 1 for crisp and clear display, and the monitor offers a resolution of 2560 into 1440 pixels and spacious 27-inch screen, providing 1.8 times more screen space than conventional Full HD monitor. As modern workstyles continue to diversify, the need for versatile and adaptive technology become increasingly improvement. The EV2720S feature USB Type-C connectivity that allow users to connect their laptop with a single cable and multi-purpose cable. And this convenient connection not only transmit video signal but also provide access the monitors for port USB hub for peripherals and supply up to 70 watt of power to charge a device. This makes it faster and easier to connect when moving between workstations or when working remotely, supporting efficiently and productivity no matter the environment. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.